Here are the 3 things you need to know about the MG ZS electric vehicle. Number 1, the MG ZS electric vehicles. Pricing starts from just £27,495. Number 2, although this is a value car, the finish is absolutely fabulous. It's a really premium looking car. And number 3, some really clever little fixtures such as hillside assist and lots of extra USB ports underneath the entertainment console and up here near the mirror. And the MG ZS comes in an option of either full electric or petrol engine and a whole range of colours. With all MG cars, you really do get more for your money, including a 7-year warranty.